As soon as you sit down in a Japanese cafe or restaurant, you'll be given a moistened hand towel, or oshibori. It's not just for cleaning your hands, it also makes you feel welcomed. This custom began in the 17th century, when Japanese inns greeted guests with towels for cleaning hands and feet. It's still a symbol of omotenashi, the Japanese ideal of hospitality. Disposable oshibori made from non-woven fabric are now becoming common. Traditional reusable cotton oshibori are collected and laundered by specialist contractors. Repeated washing at a relatively low 70 degrees Celsius sterilizes the towels without harming the fabric. Then, to be extra safe, they are disinfected with sodium hypochlorite. Dried to just the right dampness, the clean oshibori are then rolled up and individually packaged. Towels must meet stringent hygiene standards before being supplied to cafes and restaurants. We need 2 or 3 stages of disinfection to fully clean the oshibori and ensure they're completely safe to reuse. Oshibori are an important expression of hospitality, making your customers feel at home, so everything must be perfect. In the cold winter months, many places use a special heater to provide customers with nice warm oshibori. Freshening up with a moistened towel gets you ready to enjoy your meal. With an oshibori, you're being offered hospitality, omotenashi. Narita Airport, the gateway to Japan. Overseas visitors are always impressed by the spotlessly clean restrooms. Many express surprise at the heated bidet-style toilets. These have a nozzle that automatically extends and sprays warm, cleansing water.
I felt very much relieved after using it.
This is Maritomo, an expert who spent many years researching and writing about toilet technology. The evolution of Japanese restrooms has produced many unique products like the washlet. I think it's the Japanese attention to detail and delicacy that helped these toilet technologies evolve. They're also inspired by our traditional ideal of hospitality. Many of these toilet functions express the omotenashi spirit. Sensors recognize you're approaching and raise the lid, so you never have to touch anything. A recent innovation is a water spray to keep the bowl hygienic. Instead of sterilizing chemicals, it uses electrolysis. Maritomo has come to this park in Tokyo to check some new public toilets that are causing headlines. The first thing you notice is the colorful design. I like the use of different colors. That's a very creative touch, and it raised my sense of anticipation. The unique thing about those toilets in the park is their see-through walls. It was quite a shock to see. The walls are transparent when the restroom is not in use, but as soon as you enter and lock the door, the interior is securely hidden. A big merit is that after dark it's easy to check that there's no one suspicious lurking inside. And because you can see into these toilets from outside, you're always confident they'll be spotlessly clean before you enter. Maritomo points out another merit. Because they're always so clean, you feel you must be extra clean too when using them. Like a relay race, you are handing the baton of cleanliness on to the next person. A very effective approach. Cleanliness and hospitality. 2 concepts very dear to the Japanese heart and still very much alive today.